Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab. This is a collab hosted by Crafty Crab, who is Katie, and Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim, here on YouTube. And the third Sunday of every month we have a theme to follow to make one or more cards, and this month it was feathers. And all month long I've been having these ideas, and then I don't know what happened, but time got away from me, and then I got making lots of jewelry on my other channel. Anyway, I got behind, and then I was going to do it earlier today, and then I got a text from my daughter saying, hey, you want to meet us? There's a little farm that's sort of between her and I, closer to where she lives, though. Anyway, you can just go there and pet the horses and the goats and sheep, and it's like and it's got nature trails and stuff. So we went walking and got to see animals, and it was a beautiful day. So here I am at 7:45 at night. It's still Sunday though. So sorry Kim and Katie, and sorry for the long-winded explanation. All right, a minute in, I have two cards for you. I did use for the sentiment for both of them, I used this Tasteful Touches. The first card I used just saying hello, and the second one I used you are the best. The first card uses this, and actually I was inspired by Linda Kaufman, Linda K, here on YouTube. She had done some cards not too long ago, and I think in a different collab we're in together. I can't even remember which one it was. Anyway, I wanted to use this stamp set. Now this is in the current annual, and it is carrying over, and it does have dies to match it, which are these. And I did use this die here in the first card, along with I think this largest die. These are from the Hippo and Friends dies. Alright, let me just show you the card. This is it. It's on Retiring Pretty Peacock and Retiring Purple Posy. And I just stamped all over some feathers in Pretty Peacock. And then this is Retiring Pretty Peacock Scallop Linen Trim. And stamped in ink, in Pretty Peacock ink. And then these two I stamped, one in Highland Heather actually, and one in Pretty Peacock, and just fussy cut them out of paper because there's no die for those. And these blings are retiring as of May 3rd, if they're not already gone. And they're called Frosted and Clear Epoxy Droplets. And I used one big one and two of the smaller ones here just to add a little something. So that's the first card, pretty easy. And inside all I did was stamp in Highland Heather going down the side of a piece of white card. Pretty easy, nothing special. The second one I put on basic black, and I have these, this is sort of part Stampin' Up and part not. I have these stickers from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio, and I've had them in my stash for a while. I had some other stickers that had feathers on too, but I didn't use them. And so on the Stampin' Up side, I used basic black. I used this sheet of paper from In Good Taste, which is in the current annual, and it's carrying over, which is nice because I still have a lot of paper there. And I used Stampin' Up's gold foil sheet and gold embossing powder. And then, I don't know, this is a card. I don't know if you guys recall, but back when I first came on YouTube in early 2017 and into 2018, it seemed like everybody was raving about eyelash trim. So I was rummaging through ribbons and stuff, and I thought, well, this looks sort of masculine. I don't want to make it too frou-frou-y, right? Sorry for the glare. But I wanted something feathery. So I was rummaging through my non-Stampin' Up piles and tubs of ribbon. And then it dawned on me, wait a minute, I have eyelash trim. It's definitely feathery. So I just took about a foot long piece and I put, you know, tape runner down on the paper behind here. And I just zigzagged it back and forth and had a little loose end down here. But look at all the feathery stuff. Plus, before I did that, I cut this piece of paper to be 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And I just put those gold stickers sort of all over it of feathers. And put "You are the best." So there's something different for you. Oh, and this is heat embossed. And these are the, this die and this die from the Hippo and Friends also. One in basic black and one in gold foil. And inside I just put another sticker on Very Vanilla cardstock and put another piece of the Designer Series paper. So that is all I have. Not very exciting cards, but there you have it. 2 cards using feathers that are all-purpose cards. You could send them to anybody, really. So I don't know. Let me know what you think about eyelash trim. Because I went, you know, when I was first getting into crafting more other than jewelry in 2017, like paper crafting and stuff, I just had to have it all, you know. I wanted to buy it all, and I pretty much did. And then I destashed a lot of stuff, but I didn't destash my ribbons and eyelash trim. So yeah, I still have a lot of stuff. Might as well put it to use, right? So anyway, please, if you haven't already, I know I saw Kim posted early today. I don't know if the others did. There's other people in the collab as well. So please be sure to check out the links for those individuals below the video. And hop on over and see what they've made. I'm sure most of them have, if not all, have posted already. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next month on the 3rd Sunday. And next month our theme is what? Let's see if I can figure it out. Oh, that's going to be interesting. I'm not going to say. You'll just have to, well, it's probably listed below other videos. It's industrial. So, eeks. I have an idea for that already, but I don't know if I can pull it off. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.